AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's about to completely change how you live, work, and create in 2025. From AI that edits videos while you sleep, to bots that make you money without lifting a finger. Today we're counting down the 10 AI tools that will blow your mind. And trust me, you won't believe number 7. Number 1, ChatGPT 5 Pro, your AI assistant that writes emails, scripts, and business plans in seconds. The 2025 version talks like a human over voice calls and creates entire presentations instantly. Number 2, Runway Gen 3 Video. Turns simple text into Hollywood-style videos in seconds. From marketing ads to YouTube intros, you can produce high-quality visuals without cameras or editors. Number 3, ElevenLabs AI Voice Cloning. Clone voices so accurately, it's impossible to tell they're AI. Content creators produce multilingual videos without re-recording a single line. Number 4, Midjourney Vi 7. AI art so sharp and detailed you can't tell it's fake. Designers use it for ad campaigns, product mock-ups, and digital fashion shows. Number 5, Perplexity AI. Google on steroids. Instead of 10 blue links, get straight answers with sources and AI insights. Perfect for research without wasting hours scrolling. Number 6, Synthesia AI. No camera, no problem. AI generates human presenters speaking any script in any language. YouTubers run faceless channels making serious money. Number 7, Agent GPT. This isn't AI you talk to. This is AI that works for you. Say, start a blog and manage it for a month, and Agent GPT does everything without you touching a keyboard. Number 8, Durable AI. Professional SEO-ready websites built in under a minute. Number 9, Tome AI. Give it a topic. Get a fully designed presentation ready to present. Number 10, HeyGen AI. Take your English video and make it look like you're speaking any language, perfectly lip sync. Your content goes global overnight. AI in 2025 isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Which tool are you most excited to try? Comment below, and if you want more AI secrets, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the future is just getting started.